Welcome back to Pagan Pathways, which is for another WitchCrafts DIY. I do hope you enjoy. We'll be making a crystal wall hanging using this 3D wreath from the Dollar Tree. Make sure to go check out Cindy at That Mystical Lady, who will also be doing this Pinterest dupe challenge. I hope you enjoy, and let's get crafting. What you see here is these wreaths have eyes on them. We're going to remove one and leave one. The one that's left, we're then going to bend up because that's how we'll hang up our crystal wall hanging. Okay, next we're going to talk about the fluorite stones I got from Hobby Lobby. They were $3.88. I had a 50% off coupon, making them less than $2. They are real. We'll use these in this crystal wall hanging at the top. Then we're going to talk about the frame. How do we want the frame? You could spray paint it, you could wrap it in twine, but I chose this 97-cent ribbon from Walmart. It is 3/8 inch and you get 18 feet, so pretty good deal. Now, I'm going to wrap the entire thing in it, and you're just going to see that I sporadically add hot glue and not on the whole thing. You can if you want to, but it's not necessary, so that's just the way I did it. I do try to speed up the process so you don't have to watch all the boring bits, but I did want to let you see how I was doing it. I am holding very tightly, pulling it very tightly. That way then it's more even, because with the ribbon not being round or small, it does become a little bit of an issue to glue it on. But it is worth it to me, so I take those extra steps. Next, you're going to see me with the purple ribbon, which is 1/8 inch, and it was like 47 cents at Walmart as well. Ribbon's really not expensive. So I just cut it off. I do glue it at the start, and then I start wrapping it around. I only add glue intermittently. I don't put it all over it because, again, I'm holding it pretty tight, and it does stay very nicely. So not a lot of work here, and I'm just going to speed it up so that you don't have to watch all those boring bits. The next thing you're going to see is me with some fish line, which is kind of hard to see on the camera. But it is just fish line right out of my grandson's fishing pool because it holds tight. Now we're going to start at the top, and that first one is going to go right through that eye, and I'm going to wrap it around a few times and then tie it extremely tightly. Then I'm going to add some of the stones, and I'm going to double knot at the bottom of the stone so that it can't fall all the way to the bottom of the string. Geez, the words just didn't come out correctly. So this one is a little bit slower so you can see it. And then after that, we'll speed it up. Here you're just going to see me loading on those stones and double tying it, as I said. And when I'm done with this string, I'm going to go right down there to the bottom. I'm going to wrap the string around the hoop several times before then tying it into a double knot so that I get a nice, tight, secure hold. I realize it is very hard to see on this black background, and in just a minute I do add some paper below it so that you can see better. I'm really sorry about the crappy filming, but yeah, I'm not a professional filmer. I do like bringing these DIYs though, and I do hope all of you like it. If you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you're notified every time I upload. If you're returning, thank you so very much for being here every week, leaving me some amazing comments that some of you do, and I really just wanted to say I appreciate each and every one of you. So here we are back at the top, tying on the second one, and the same process, except for this time when we get to the bottom, we are going to move over however far apart you want them to be. You just have to kind of try to match up the widths how you would like. I do use 5 ropes, 1 in the middle, 2 on each side, on every single string, I have put several different stones so that they're placed. However, I didn't really do it in a specific order, but I mean, I did just kind of randomly place them on there. You just kind of see me going back and forth, moving the stones back down. I do try to make sure that their placement isn't right beside each other, but again, it was just more random. And that's so much better with the white background. Now I've got all 5 of my strands on there. All I'm doing at the bottom here is tying on the crystals. Hobby Lobby also has these clear crystal court points. They are $13.99. However, 50% off then again makes them $7 and you get a very large strand. They already have holes in them. So I just stuck the string through the hole and then double knotted it. And that was that. It was pretty simple. Here I am holding it up so you can get a better view of it. And we're all done because all the crystals are then hung on. It's a really simple craft. It's really pretty and it looks beautiful in the window. Now when I show you the finished project, it's on my wall instead of my window because trying to get a good shot through the window is difficult since I have a macrame curtain. Now here you see me using this purple ribbon. I'm just going to stick it through the eye hook and then I'm going to hang it on the wall. I do hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to hop over onto Cindy, that mystical lady. It used to be that tarot lady, but she just recently changed her name, and check out her version because we did this as a Pinterest dupe challenge together. I hope you enjoyed it and we'll talk soon, witches.